You can now import navigational elements when you're importing blogs into HubSpot. Check this out. So this is a beta you need to opt into. This is what it's called, navigation element import. And once you've done that, if you go to your settings and scroll way down to the website section and go to blog, here under your blogs, you can import a blog. That's what you're going to want to do. And if you start a new import, you'll see this website content. You can, in pages, navigation, whatever you want to import, you select this button, you type the URL in here, and now just a little time-lapse option. If we jump to what happens after, you can review your results, and here's a list of everything that was checked out. Down below, you can see this footer navigation, and if we go to the second page of results here, there's a header navigation. Just click next. All the things are there. We're importing them, and we get it. This is now in beta. Opt yourself in. This is available in all tiers and subscriptions. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.